Hey, Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cooler intake for the 2011 to 2016 Ford F250s, the F350, the F450, and the F550s, all equipped with a 6.7 liter diesel motor. Now these Delta Force cooler intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra-trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high-flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. This is a 100% direct bolt onto the vehicle, and it's backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. All Flowmaster products are dyno tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. Now, how about you? But I'm ready to get this installed in this Ford F350 here. Okay, today we're in the shop. We got a 2014 Ford F350 with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. We're gonna get this old airbox assembly out and put on the new Delta Force cooler intake. So let's get started. First, we're gonna disconnect the sensor, unclip the wire loom, remove the bolt that's holding the airbox on, loosen up this clamp. We're gonna remove the airbox first, and then we're gonna go ahead and loosen up the clamp here, and remove this bolt, and then the rest of the intake tube will come off. Okay, next we're going to take the stock airbox. I'm just going to pull straight up and it'll lift right out. And we'll go ahead and wiggle the intake tube off the throttle body. Go ahead and remove it. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and install the heat shield into those factory mounting points on the vehicle. Go ahead and drop this in place. Okay, now we're ready for our intake tube. And go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the air filter. Just going to slide over the air filter adapter, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it up. This concludes the installation here on our Delta Force cooler intake. Installation is roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. Now for full detailed video on how to install this properly, please check out our Flowmaster YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to go hit the highway. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.